Yeah, I think color and music is a huge part of this journey and this film. Every one of us had that summer in their life, maybe many if you were lucky, but at least one summer in your life that was just magical, that you had amazing friends, you had amazing food, experiences, things as you were growing up, you made friendships, you made love, whatever it was that was amazing in your life. And so this film is about that. Is about that one amazing summer as a child where you discovered all these things about who you were and made great friendships and how rich in color and music all that is, and how music can kind of transport you back to all those times in your life. And so it's a very colorful world in Porto Rosso.